How to turn on screen time breaks on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on screen time breaks on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then click this three lines. In top corner here you will find this three lines and then scroll down, click here digital well-being and here you will find screen time breaks. Just click on it and select here anything you want, like 10 minutes, and that's it. Screen time breaks have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.